A single touch of an emoji earns you $30, while a second click earns you $60. You can work as much as you want, whenever you want, just by using a phone or computer. You can start making money right away if you only watch this quick video and adhere to my directions. This method is completely free and requires no investment or outlay of money, so you can use it from anywhere in the world. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You should first go to flaticon.com. As you can see, you have access to more than 3 million vector icons, including emojis. You can download all of the icons and emojis on this page for free and use them to make money online. To register, select to register from the menu at the top of flaticon.com's main page. You are visiting this page to register with the website. Click the blue Sign Up button after entering your username, email address, and password in the blanks below. Once you've registered for a free account, scroll down to Tabs and select the A Patterns Generator option. When you click on that link, a page where you can look for other emojis that resemble this will emerge. Simply click and touch on the available emoji on our website to create a new design. This $sign emoji will reappear as soon as you click on another one, like one of the others. Just like that, you can create a brand new emoji design with all of these free emojis. You can change the color of the backdrop. By selecting the background icon on the left, you can select whatever background you want. To download your design, click this green download button after you are finished. Once you've clicked it, you must select the PNG format. As you can see, there are other formats, but I urge you to choose PNG. Make sure 350 is the tile size. The image size is 700, however this is just 350. This is a sneak preview of what you have made. Click Download Pattern to download the pattern to your computer after you're satisfied. Once more, you can carry out this action on a laptop, a smartphone, or any other gadget. If you wish to create a second design and earn extra money, just click the Clear button to completely remove the first one. My favorite button to select is a random pattern. This is a great tactic, so pay close attention. As you can see, after selecting Random Pattern, they will only provide you with a selection of numerous pre-made templates and designs and display different emoji designs. You may now change the design to whatever you desire, like with this watermelon and this one. They can be added by just dragging and dropping them where you want them. You can change the background of it once more. The Download button to download the different patterns to your phone or computer. Once you have a firm grasp on how flaticon.com can be used to swiftly click and touch on various emojis and create beautiful emoji designs, the next step is to head to 99designs.com. You have the opportunity to make a ton of money online by uploading those designs to this website. I'd like to show you how much money you can make, please. For instance, if you sold 30 different designs, you could earn $299. You can earn $499 for every 60 different designs you sell, $899 for every 90 designs you sell, and so on. Easy, right? So what are you waiting for? Join in and make tons of money online. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.